Good morning. It's a bit early. I'm at Tilford, the Rural Life Centre at Tilford, just outside Tilford. Little place just in Surrey. A little bit of a drive to get here. And as you can see, I've got my Hillman Imp. Hi, I'm Warren Brand and welcome to another Linleys video. There are just raindrops dropping from the trees. It rained quite heavily about 20 minutes, half an hour ago, but fortunately it stopped raining now. And this place is eerily quiet. In about an hour, it'll be heaving with people, we expect. And although I'm on my own at the moment, there'll be up to about 20 imps here and other car club groups around and about. This is our patch to pitch up for today.
So, while I'm here, let's take a good look around the site, explore some of the buildings and admire some of the exhibits. The Rural Life Centre is an open-air museum on about 20 acres of space. Most of the exhibits relate to crafts, way of life, farming and early industry from about 1750 through to the 1960s. Various car clubs are here today, using the spaces between the museum's buildings. We've just seen a real old cycle shop that was along the Frimley High Street nearby for decades, and also a small village classroom. Opened in 1973, the collection has grown each year and even has a 2-foot narrow gauge railway, and yep, we'll take a ride on that soon. There are some old fire engines, carriages, carts, large farming equipment, a chapel, lots of shop fronts, all filled with authentic items on sale. Around the site there are so many different types of homes. There are some mobile living vans, remote farm buildings for shepherds to use away from the main farm, and this prefabricated home used after the Second World War. And now it's the time to take a ride on the narrow gauge railway. The loco today is Red Dwarf, suitably named of course, built in 1936. There are several other locos based here of various types. The line goes around the outside edge of the centre from here at Mills Wood. I'll take a closer look at the waiting room as that's a very special building. From Millswood Station, there's the old Kiln Halt where we looked over the fence earlier, and at the end is Reed's Road Station.
flywheel, so it takes a long time to shut down.
This waiting room has some real history to it. It used to be the body of a passenger tram on the Portsdown and Horndean Light Railway. Lots of the detailed features show that it is indeed an old carriage. We've been here all day and it's been lovely meeting people who've stopped by our Imp Club and talked to us about our cars. And I've had the chance to wander around this lovely venue too. But time to go, so from the Tilford Rural Life Centre here just south of Farnham in Surrey, thanks for watching and bye for now.